there was a time when I knew exactly who I was. I had hobbies. I made plans for the future. I could leave the house without thinking twice. I could finish a cup of coffee while it was still warm. I had conversations that weren't interrupted, and somehow, without even noticing, that version of me slowly faded into the background. Now, my days are measured by feeding times, pumping sessions, naps, laundry, and washing bottles. Sometimes I catch my reflection in the mirror, and for a moment, I don't recognize the person looking back. I ask myself, where did the old me go? Will I ever feel like myself again? Those questions can feel frightening, because no one talks about this part of motherhood. The part where you love your little one with all your heart, yet quietly grieve the life you once had. And the hardest part? Feeling guilty for missing the person you used to be. But missing your old life doesn't mean you love your baby any less. Those two feelings can exist together. You can be deeply grateful and deeply exhausted. You can smile at your little one while silently wondering when you'll feel like yourself again. That doesn't make you a bad mother. It makes you human. The truth is, you haven't disappeared. You're changing. You're becoming someone who has learned patience in the middle of sleepless nights. Someone who keeps showing up even when no one notices. Someone who gives love even when running low on energy. Maybe you don't recognize yourself because you're still meeting the new version of you. A version that is stronger than she realizes, kinder than she gives herself credit for, and far more resilient than she ever imagined. One day, you'll laugh again without feeling guilty. You'll rediscover the dreams that have been waiting patiently for you. You'll have time for yourself again. Not because this season lasts forever, but because it doesn't. So if today you look in the mirror and wonder, who am I now? Here's the answer. You're still you. Only now, you're carrying more love, more courage, and more strength than the person you used to be ever had. And one day, you'll look back at this season, not as the time you lost yourself, but as the time you discovered a version of yourself you never knew existed.